Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Matt Matthew Wall here, and I'm with my friends again. I have Denver, Sheriff Man, my beast man, and then I have Ken Box here, which is my awesome model friend right here. He's awesome. And then I have Patch, who is my patrol friend. He loves patrol with us. And I'm here with myself. I have my awesome squad armor, my PRT uniform on, and then here's our car pack that we have for you today, but there is no link for it. It is only monitor. This is not a PC gameplay. This is a PS3 gameplay. We don't do it on PC. Alright, so let's start showing you around. Alright, here is the ERT area. We have the SWAT truck, and then we have the inmate transport. Here's the emergency area. We have the ambulance, and we have the fire truck. Yes. And then I have the Chevy Impala 69 Impala, the Subaru Coupe, another Subaru Coupe, Dodge Viper, and then I have the Suzuki Hayabusa. All the way over here to our FBI area, we have all the FBI buffaloes. Then we have our news area. We have our Chevy Tahoe, and then we have our California news car. And then here's our regular patrol car area. We have the Crown Vic. The Tahoes are the newspaper. Then we have the police. We have the Impala here. Then we have this one. I don't know what this one's for. What's this one for? Yeah, I think this is for the undercover car, and then we have the undercover Escalade here. Go over here to our escort area. We have the Uno, and then we have the and then what else do we have? Do we have anything else to show them? No, that's it. Alright, thanks guys for watching our short video. But I guess we could do a patrol for the rest of the minutes that we have. Or oh, we forgot to show you the HQ. Come on. Headquarters. This is our headquarters. These headquarters. Here we have our little sitting area, meeting area over here. And then we have our computer stuff and all this kind of stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I'll probably make another video tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks. Please rate and subscribe. Bye-bye.